Hey there, it's Pete with the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. This is the 10-day reset, and that's from Dr. Hyman. The 10-day reset, anyways, there's a PDF here. Like, subscribe, comment below if you're looking for more health type tips. But this 10-day reset, it's a PDF online from Dr. Hyman's website. I can't believe I found this because I looked up a lot of information and somehow found this link, but I'm going to put the link right there. The foundation for the 10-day reset program is real whole food. That means anyone can participate in the program, even if they choose not to get the 10-day reset kit. So this is going to show you how to do it from home. There's 3 pillars to the 10-day reset. Food is medicine. Food contains information that talks to your genes, turns them on and off, and affects their function from moment to moment. During the 10-day reset, you want to avoid stuff that makes you feel like crap and eat foods that nourish your body. Eat fibers, eat healthy fats, and clean protein. This means loads of non starchy vegetables, good fats like avocados, olive oil, and healthy proteins like grass fed organ meats, fish, chicken, and plant based protein like gluten free tempeh. The next 10 days, avoid carbs, refined sugars, dairy, coffee, and alcohol. I'm not a big calorie counting on macros, so I don't recommend you look at your plate. Make sure you eat like this: 3/4 non starchy, colorful vegetables, 3 to 6 ounces of quality protein, pasture raised, wild caught, and organic, and 2 servings of healthy fats like avocado, nuts, seeds, pasture raised butter, olive oil. So here's what your plate looks like: 75% vegetables, I guess 25% meat, and healthy fats. Pillar 2 of the habit. Moving forward, do your best requires daily focus, impact on habits that will make a huge difference in the long run. During the 10-day reset, there are 2 different habits to focus on. Okay, when you eat and when you sleep. When you eat might be as important as what you eat. So you have to prioritize balanced meals and only gorge on whatever you find in the evening or snacks late into the night. Research shows that this can have adverse effects on your health. Okay, so what you're trying to do is leave a 12 to 14-hour fasting window. In other words, stop eating at 6:30. Do not eat anything that would break your fast or water, and then eat again at 6:30 in the morning or later. Next, eat with alignment of your body's natural rhythm. Have your first meal in the morning and your last meal in the evening. This is a key to avoid heavy meals and snacking before bedtime. Sleep is the most underrated pillar of health when it comes to exercise, meditation, and might even come before nutrition. So you need restorative sleep. Set a bedtime and try to stick to that over the next 10 days. Turn off your phone, put it on airplane mode, shut off the TV, put away all devices 45 minutes before bed, and remain focused for relaxation time. This includes reading, journaling, meditation, or meaningful conversations. And the third pillar is support. So you want to have high quality multivitamins and minerals to fill the gaps. Magnesium, about 75% of us are deficient in magnesium. Over 300 enzymatic reactions occur in our body, and taking magnesium is an important part to relax the nervous system, muscles, and calm your brain. D3, more than 80% of the population have the insufficient amount of D3 vitamins. Research shows D3 deficiencies contribute to a wide range of problems, including dementia. You could also consider detox component of sleep. Okay, next. 10-day reset program steps. Eat from the reset approved food list. We recommend whole foods based shake for breakfast. You can find shake recipes in the 10-day reset guide along with lunch and dinner recipes. If you'd like to add a boost of protein, we recommend this one, or veggie wrap. Commit to your daily habits. Pick designated meal times between that 10 and 12-hour window. And don't snack before bed. Stick with the same bedtime each night and put electronic devices 45 minutes away. Practice active relaxation. These are small steps that can have a huge impact. Add in nutritional supplements. Okay, if you don't take nutritional supplements, it'll be difficult to succeed in the 10-day reset. But if you'd like extra support, refer to the support pillar in our top recommendations. What to eat during the 10-day reset and what to avoid. Here's what your full food list should look like in the grocery store. Meat and poultry. Poultry, organic if possible. Chicken, turkey, duck, pheasant, Cornish game hens. Meat, grass-fed, pasteurized, lamb, beef, bison, venison, ostrich, deer, elk. Fish, anchovies, clams, cod, flounder, sole, herring, white or halibut, mussels, wild salmon. Keep in mind I said wild. Sardines, stable, shrimp, scallops, trout. Eggs, organic, pasteurized eggs. Nuts and seeds, almonds, Brazil nuts, cashews, macadamia, pine nuts, pistachios, walnuts. Chia, flax, hemp, pumpkin, sesame, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds. Nuts, butters, unsweetened cashews, macadamia, walnuts. Thought I read that up there. Okay, soy, organic, non GMO tofu or tempeh. For cooking oils, ghee, tallow, lard, duck fat, chicken fat, organic avocados. For salads, almond oil, flax oil, hemp oil, macadamia oil, organic virgin, extra virgin olive oil, sesame seed oil, tahini, and walnut oil. Vegetables, non starchy, artichokes, asparagus, bean sprouts, Brussels sprouts, ginger root, um, leafy greens, orange, or excuse me, why did I say oranges? Leafy greens, mushrooms, onions, peppers, raccadosio, radish, rutabaga. I won't read the whole list, but you can see it here. Okay, meats to avoid: poultry, raised chicken, ducks, eggs, and turkey. Conventional raised, that is. All processed meats, avoid those like hot dogs, pork, sausage, salami. Avoid larger fish, Chilean sea bass, tuna, swordfish, farm raised fish. I think the reason why they're saying to avoid those is because they tend to be unhealthy. Non organic eggs, avoid those. Avoid nuts with sugar. Avoid nuts with sugar, chocolate, nut butters that contain hydrogenated oil, and peanuts. Avoid canola oil, partially hydrogenated oil, margarine, peanut oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, sassafras oil, trans fat, vegetable oil, vegetable shortening. Corn, white potatoes, avoid those. Okay, during your 10-day reset, foods, oh, it's continued. Continued what to eat. Dairy, okay, I thought that was already here. Beans, lentils. So I'm gonna not read the whole list here because it's annoying to me. But you can see here quinoa, blueberries, cranberries, kiwis. So they're fruits. Added sweeteners. My preference would be nothing, but it looks like he likes stevia and monk fruit, purified water, herbal tea, green tea, yerba mate, seltzer, and mineral water. What you avoid: sugar, coffee, caffeine. Also avoid artificial sweeteners and all sugars. Avoid bananas, dried fruits, grapes, mangoes, pineapples, nectars, probably because they're very, very sweet and have a lot of sugar. Avoid rye, barley, rice, millet for 10 days, oatmeal, couscous. Avoid GMO products. Avoid beans. Wow. And avoid all other dairy. After your program, to make things simple, follow the 10-day reset. I recommend you do the following: stay on the 10-day reset protocol if you want to feel great for an additional 10 days. Make lunch and dinner from approved lists of foods. Also continue to prioritize sleep and honor the 10 to 14 day fasting window. Transition to the pagan diet. The pagan diet is a funny name. It's essentially a way to eat for life, incorporating the principles of the 10-day reset from room for incorporating other foods. Maybe you add in some gluten-free grains, grass-fed dairy, and you can tolerate it. Maybe you follow the 10-day reset diet most of the time. You still can enjoy a glass of wine with friends on occasion. To learn more about the pagan diet, he's going to have this link here. Get Pharmacy Pagan Diet. And basically, that's it. I'm going to put this in here. I'm thinking about trying this myself, but I don't know if I'll be able to get to it this week. This is the 10-day reset with Dr. Mark Hyman. And check it out. Comment below. Let me know if you're going to try this or what you think. Have a great day. It's Pete from the Small Business Resource Center.